Most shooters think, if I buy an expensive shotgun, I'll start hitting more targets. But that's not true, because the wrong shotgun can actually hold you back, no matter how much you practice. And the right shotgun? It can instantly improve your balance, timing, and confidence on the range. So in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best shotguns for clay shooting, from beginner to pro level. And more importantly, I'll show you which one you should actually buy based on your skill level. Watch till the end. Because the last shotgun is what serious competitors use to dominate the range. Before we start, if you truly want to improve your clay shooting, then don't just watch. Be part of this journey. I put a lot of time, effort, and real research into every single video, just to help you become a more confident and consistent shooter. So if you respect the effort, hit that like button and subscribe to No Recoil Shotgun right now. And I want to hear from you. Comment below. Which shotgun do you think is the best? And if you own one of these, tell us your experience. Your opinion matters here. Also, don't keep this knowledge to yourself. Share this video with your friends who love clay shooting. Because when we grow together, we all start breaking more targets. Now, no more waiting. Let's get into it. Number 5. Mossberg 940 Pro Sporting Shotgun. Let's start with a powerful budget option. The Mossberg 940 Pro Sporting. This is a semi-automatic shotgun built for shooters who want strong performance without spending a fortune. Its biggest advantage? A gas-operated system that reduces recoil. Less kick, more control, and better consistency over long sessions. It also has fast cycling, so you can take quick follow-up shots without losing rhythm. The adjustable stock helps you get a better fit, and that means a smoother mount and more accurate shooting. Now here's the key point. This shotgun is very forgiving. If you're a beginner or intermediate shooter, it helps you stay on target and build confidence faster. But it's not perfect. It doesn't have the same balance or premium feel as high-end over-under shotguns. Still, for the price, it delivers serious value. A perfect choice for beginners who want a reliable, affordable clay shooting shotgun. Number 4. Browning Citori CX Shotgun Best All-Around Shotgun. Next up, a true legend, the Browning Citori CX. This is an over-under shotgun known for its durability and versatility. 2 barrels, 1 purpose, total consistency. Key features: solid steel receiver for long-lasting performance. Balanced weight for a smooth, controlled swing. Built for trap, skeet, and sporting clays. Why it's good? This shotgun is all about consistency. Here's what makes the Citori CX special. It's not flashy, it just performs every single time. The balance helps stabilize your movement, making your swing smoother and more controlled. And in clay shooting, smooth and controlled always wins. The more you use it, the more confident you become. Downside: it's slightly heavier than some other options, which can feel tiring during long sessions. Best for shooters who want one reliable shotgun for everything. This is a true workhorse shotgun, built to perform and built to last. Number 3. Beretta A400 Xcel Shotgun. Best for advanced competition shooters. Best semi-auto for speed. Now we move to one of the most popular semi-auto shotguns, the Beretta A400 Xcel. This gun is built for one thing: speed with control. It features the blink gas system, which delivers extremely fast cycling. That means quicker follow-up shots and smoother performance on fast targets. Then there's the kickoff recoil system. It reduces recoil significantly, so you stay comfortable and in control even during long sessions. The A400 Xcel is also lightweight and easy to handle. It moves naturally with your swing, helping you stay connected to the target. why it's good. If you struggle with recoil or fast targets, this shotgun gives you a clear advantage. It keeps you relaxed, balanced, and in rhythm. Downside: like most semi-autos, it needs regular cleaning and maintenance. Best for intermediate shooters who want speed, comfort, and smooth performance. Number 2. Beretta 686 Silver Pigeon 1. Best value over under. Number 2 is not just a shotgun. It is a precision instrument engineered specifically for clay shooting dominance. Now we're getting serious. The Beretta 686 Silver Pigeon 1 is one of the most respected clay shooting shotguns in the world. And for good reason. Key features: perfect balance, smooth weight distribution, strong, durable design, reliable over-under system, crisp, clean trigger. Why it works: the moment you mount this gun, it feels natural. Your swing becomes smoother, your timing becomes sharper, and your confidence starts to grow. You're no longer fighting the gun, you're working with it. This is where many shooters see a real jump in performance. Downside: it's more expensive than beginner options. Best for shooters who are ready to step up and want pro-level performance without extreme pricing. Number 1. Beretta 694 Sporting Shotgun Ultimate Competition. And now, the top of the list. The shotgun trusted by serious competitors. The Beretta 694 Sporting. This isn't just a shotgun. It's a competition-built machine designed for pure performance. Every detail is made to give you control, balance, and consistency. Key features: first, advanced weight distribution. The gun feels perfectly balanced, making your swing smooth and controlled. Second, a wider sight plane. You see the target more clearly and track it with confidence. Third, reduced recoil. So even during long sessions, you stay comfortable and focused. And most importantly, this shotgun is built specifically for competitive clay shooting. Why it works: everything about this gun is built for one thing: breaking targets consistently. The balance improves your movement, the stability keeps your swing steady, and the control helps you stay locked onto the target. No overcorrection, no hesitation, just clean, confident shooting. Downside: the only downside? Price. This is a premium shotgun, not for beginners. Best for advanced shooters, competitive players, those who want maximum performance. Because at this level, small advantages win big. Which one should you buy? Now here's the most important part. Choosing the right shotgun depends on your level. The best shotgun is the one that fits your skill level, because the wrong shotgun can slow your progress. Final message: truth about shotguns. Here's the truth most people won't tell you. A shotgun won't make you a great shooter overnight, but the wrong shotgun will slow your progress. The right shotgun gives you better balance, better control, better confidence. And when you combine that with the right technique, that's when you start breaking more targets consistently. Because at the end of the day, the best shotgun is the one that fits your skill level. Now I want to hear from you. Which shotgun are you currently using? And which one are you planning to buy? Tell me in the comments below. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your shooting friends. Because the more we learn, the more targets we break. Thanks for watching.